o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Let's get these cars fired up and get some racing out of the way.
July 4th was a warm, sunny day, and the track had a fantastic turnout of cars and spectators. The 5th, unfortunately, was not so great, with clouds and rain ending at mid-afternoon. Hopefully this bid will give you a feel for the event with sight and sound. It does not show eliminations, just test and tune, as well as runs to get their times, and of course burnouts. To get started, this is Sean Cappell's 67 Barracuda. It has a 512 cubic inch Mopar 440, a 727 tranny, and a 9.5 inch Ford rear end. Prior to this run, Sean's best was a 966 ET at 141 miles an hour. There are 19 junior dragsters listed on the points page, and a lot of the parents run cars themselves. So they have very busy days at the track. John Ari and his family are one of them. John runs his pro class 10-second Chevelle Malibu, as well as 3 junior dragsters.
Hey, what are you running in your car?
Mine's a 496.
You got your hands full. You got 3 juniors in it? You guys are like tag teaming. Are you and your bride out there? They're tag teaming them? It's like, how in the world? Plus he runs back, gets in his car, and goes, holy crap. Are you actually having fun?
Oh, yeah. As soon as I clasp the belt, I'm having fun.
Right on.
Put the helmet on, it's all...
Yeah, it's all...
Monty Soper also has multiple cars for the track.
What are you running in here these days? Same
Small
one?
block, yeah, with 434. Small block.
Are you still got your other car too?
I got the Chevelle. And then I got that Roadster, I just don't drive it.
Yeah, the Roadster.
My daughter's racing, it's taking a lot of my time, so. And I sold the engine out.
So you're tag teaming too?
Yeah.
Like the ours?
Yeah,
the hell they're...
Yeah, no, same deal. I mean, I was back and forth. But at least this one's pretty, not a lot of maintenance. You know, just jump in and go.
cubic inch rear Morrison with a 1250 Eliminator, the Mighty Mahalka transmission built. Detuned it a little bit, a little bit smaller camshaft, bringing it down to about 135 miles an hour, maybe a little bit more.
What are you guys running in your car?
540.
Anything special?
No, low compression, 9-to-1, big camp, big heads, big old circle. 788 in the car.